Hello, everyone. My name is Christina Spurling. I'm a United States Navy veteran, and I have a bachelor's degree in business administration. While serving as a park ranger in Joshua Tree National Park, I realized I was looking for a different path. I knew I enjoyed problem solving and inputting data, and that was enough for me to run with. After doing some research, I decided to give coding a try, and that led me to Savvy Coder's full stack web development program. I wanted my Capstone project to be a support system for users for when they were feeling down. My Capstone allows users a choice of positive affirmations, funny jokes, and scripture verses. The goal is to get the users motivated enough to turn their mood around. Let me show you what I've been working. Here you'll see a wireframe or mock-up of what I wanted my homepage to look like. It displays the business name, Frown upside down, and the logo. And then below that, you'll find the navigation panel where there's a drop-down menu here with the affirmations, funnies, and scripture verses, as well as the home, about, and contact us page. The home page also displays the welcome message to greet users when they enter my site. At the bottom, you'll find a mood tracker so users can take charge of their mood. They can interact with the website. Now, after doing some agile ceremonies, daily stand-ups, and sprint planning, I realized I didn't have enough time to implement every single thing I wanted to. Let me show you what I mean. Welcome to Frown Upside Down. With some CSS, I was able to animate this logo here. When you hover away from it, it rotates. Once I realized what I was looking for, it didn't take quite as long to implement that. However, the hovering over the navigation links was a very happy accident. I was trying to implement something else in my CSS, and I discovered this, and I didn't go with the other thing. I went with this one. Below the navigation bar, you'll find the welcome message, greeting users. And then you'll see here that I have implemented a third-party API into my SPA. It generates the weather for St. Louis, the temperature, and what it feels like. Below that, you'll find the mood tracker. You'll also notice there are no positive, happy moods to be clicked upon. And that's for a reason. This website is not for those who are already in a happy mood. It's for those who need some help and they're feeling down. Sorry about that. So if you click on one of the moods here, it'll send the user to the page containing the daily affirmations, the funnies, and the scripture verses. Each one of the buttons you click does send you to that same page, no matter what your mood is. In the future, I would like to implement the section that it goes to so that they each relate to a different one, be it the scripture verses, the funnies, or the affirmations. The positive affirmations, the funny jokes, and the scriptures are all generated through the Node.js Express server that I created. It randomly generates a new positive affirmation, funny joke, and scriptures every time the page is reloaded. And the page is reloaded every time the user presses the next button. You'll find another positive affirmation. Just click on the funnies. Another joke. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. And the scriptures. There you have it. We can rejoice too when we run into problems and trials, for we know that they help us develop endurance. like that pop-up, Romans 5:3, like that pop-up you saw in my presentation. On the About page, you'll find a short message explaining what we do here at Frown Upside Down. And then last but not least, my contact page, which has our contact page, which has a form for the users to fill out. And with that form is sent to FormSpree. And then FormSpree sends an email to Frown Upside Down, letting us know that we have received an email. And then the user is able to go back and either submit a new message or continue about our site. Let's look at some code. So in my index.js here is a router hooks function. And if you scroll down, you'll see where I am getting with the get requests for the affirmations, the funnies, and the scriptures, and they randomly generate and then display on my page. Well, that is all I have to share. Thank you for sharing in this experience with me. It has been a blast. I've learned so much from my instructors, TAs, and even my cohort mates. If you have any questions or you just want to chat, please feel free to reach out. I am on LinkedIn, and you can reach me also through Savvy Coders. Thank you.